Students, today we are going to learn finding missing addend and subtrahend. We have learned the concept of subtraction and we have learned how to check the answers in the subtraction. Now, if there is a missing addend and a missing subtrahend in the question, then how you will find out that? Now, what is addend? When two numbers are added, the numbers which are added are known as addends. Okay, one addend is given to you and one is missing and the sum will be given to you. Their sum will be given to you. It is of addition. ठीक है, तो आप कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे मिसिंग एडेंड को? तो अगर आपको ये जो मिसिंग एडेंड चाहिए तो इसके लिए आपको क्या करना होगा? टू फाइंड द मिसिंग एडेंड्स you already know the sum is given and one of the addend is given. You will subtract दिस है एडेंड फ्रॉम द सम, क्योंकि सम जो होगा वो ऑलवेज इन दो एडेंड्स जो भी होंगे इनसे ग्रेटर होगा. जब भी हम ऐड करते हैं तो सम क्या होता है? दोनों नंबर से ग्रेटर होता है. तो अगर हमें ये नंबर मिसिंग एडेंड फाइंड आउट करना है, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट वन ऑफ द एडेंड्स फ्रॉम द सम. ग्रेटर नंबर में से स्मॉलर नंबर पूरे को माइनस कर देंगे. ओके, सो दिस फॉर्मूला विल अप्लाई. सम माइनस वन ऑफ द एडेंड. तो आप इस तरीके से लिख सकते हो, व्हाट इज द सम? 319. आई हैव रिटन ओवर हियर. माइनस 268 इज वन ऑफ द addend. Now after writing this, what you will do, you will subtract in this manner. After this, there was no space, that's why I haven't done to over here. So you will make the column and subtract like this. Now let us subtract. We subtract from the ones column always, as you all know. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Yes. 1 minus 6. 1 is smaller, so we will have to regroup. Okay, we will have to borrow from 3. So we will borrow from 3 and this will become 2. Okay, we have borrowed 1, हमने इससे ले लिया तो ये 2 बन जाएगा और ये क्या बन जाएगा? 1 1 11. ओके, एनसर्कल कर देना है ताकि आपको पता रहे कि ये आपने बोरो किया है. 11 में से 6 आप माइनस कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट अस माइनस 11 माइनस 6. ओके, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 will come over here. Now this was 2. 2 minus 2 will be 0. So what will be the missing addend? 0, 5, 1 or simply say 51. If you will add 51, then you will get this sum. So now let us see whether it is correct or not. 5 plus 1. Okay, this is the missing addend that has come over here. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 5, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 and carry over 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. That means that our missing addend is correct. So you can find out the missing addend in this manner if addition is given और अगर कोई एक नंबर मिस है तो. Now let us see how to find out the missing subtrahend. तो subtrahend किस में होता है? जब हम subtraction करते हैं. ओके, जो नंबर subtract होगा, you all know very well, that is called as subtrahend. और जो नंबर subtract कर रहा है वो minuend होता है. Okay, so minuend will subtract the subtrahend and their answer is known as difference. So how you will find out the subtrahend? There will be the formula that if you want to find out the subtrahend, what you will do? Will you minus minuend from difference? No. See, 127 is smaller than 613 और जब subtraction होता है तो हम bigger number में से, ये पूरा एक number है, bigger में से smaller number को ही minus करते हैं. तो minuend बड़ा है इसीलिए minuend पहले आएगा और minuend में से अगर आप difference को माइनस कर दोगे, ये एडिशन नहीं है यहाँ पर, ये subtrahend है, तो ये आपको, ये दोनों अलग अलग हैं, आपको ध्यान रखना है. Minuend minus difference you will write and you will subtract in the same manner. Okay, you will subtract it over here. So what will come? See, 3 is given. 3 we will take, carry from here, this will become 0 and this will become 1 3 13. Okay, now you will subtract and you will check whether it is correct or. Subtract from here. 13 minus 7, this is 12. 1 13. 13 minus 7, 6 plus 1 7. So we will remove these, and how much remain? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay, now this is 0. Can we subtract? No. Then we have to take borrow. Okay, we have to borrow. So what we will do? We will borrow. This will become 5, and this 0 is going to become 10. Okay, 10 minus 2 is what? 8, and 5 minus 1 is 4. Now you will check whether this answer is correct or not. This is the missing subtrahend. Now put it over here. In your textbook also blanks is given, so you will subtract in the copy and put the write the number in the blank. Okay, 13 minus 6 you will do, and then you will check out whether this answer is correct or not. Now you have to check out on your own. Now our next topic is subtraction of 4-digit number. We have seen simple subtraction earlier. Now we will see how we will subtract 4-digit number. See, here in this question I am subtracting a 3-digit number from a 4-digit number. We will see another example also. So let us subtract. Now without regrouping is very easy. You don't need to borrow. Now this one is with regrouping. Okay, so we will borrow. As you can see, some of the digits are greater than the digits in the subtrahend. Okay, you all know very well that this is minuend, this is subtrahend. The answer is known as difference. Okay, so now let us see. See, 3 is smaller than 8. So what you will do? Please tell me. Yes, you will borrow from 2. Okay, you will borrow and you will make 3 as 13. You can write it like this also, and you can write it over here, 13. It will be easy. 3 will become 13. Then 13 minus 8. So count on lines or count on finger. 13. This is 13 till here, minus 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is 8. So how much lines remain? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this was 13 till here. So the answer will be 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. Now this has become, we have taken, so this we have taken 1, so this has become 1. Okay, so can you subtract? No. Then what you will do? You will borrow from 6. Now 6 will become 5, and it will give 1 to this number. So this number is going to become what? 11. ये क्या बन जाएगा? 11 बन जाएगा. ये 1 था, है ना? तो 11 में से आप 7 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं क्या? दिस इज 10 and 1 11. 11 में से 7 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 यहाँ तक है. 1 2 3 4. कितना बचा? 4 बचा. ओके, नाउ दिस इज 5. 5 में से आप 2 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सो हाउ मच यू विल गेट? 3. नाउ सिंस यहाँ पे कोई भी डिजिट नहीं है, सो यू कैन राइट 5 एज इट इज़. कोई भी डिजिट नहीं है, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे 0 है. 0 डज नॉट मेक एनी सेंस, सो वी डोंट नीड टू राइट. सो द आंसर विल बी दिस. You can also check the answer if you want. I have already taught you how to check the answer. Now let us see this question. Question is subtract 5669 from 8447. अब इस चीज़ में आपको ध्यान रखना है कि जो फ्रॉम के बाद जो नंबर दिया होता है वो पहले आपको लिखना है, क्योंकि क्या बोला है? फ्रॉम का मतलब होता है से. आपको इस नंबर को इस नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. इसको पहले मत लिख देना. ओके, सो जो सेकेंड नंबर आएगा वो आपको पहले लिखना है और उसके बाद आपको दूसरा नंबर लिखना है. ओके, वैसे भी आप चेक कर सकते हैं. 8447 इज ग्रेटर देन 5669. सो ग्रेटर नंबर पहले आता है. नाउ लेट अस सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वंस कॉलम. नाउ since 7 is smaller than 9, so what you will do? You will regroup. For regrouping, what you will do? For regrouping, what you will do? You will borrow from the next digit. So next digit is 4. It will become 3 when it will give 1 to this. So 17. It will become 17. Now you can write it like this also, or you can write it like this. Okay, always encircle. So 17 minus 9. Now subtract. This is 15. 16, 17. 17 minus 9. These are 9 lines. Okay, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much will come over here? 8. Okay, you have to learn count on lines. Now you can count backward also. So this is 3. Can you subtract? No. Then what you will do? Yes, you will borrow. अब आपको आने लगा है कि borrow करना है. ये क्या बन जाएगा? 3 बन जाएगा. Okay. 13 minus 6. 13. This is 13 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. माइनस कर दिया. कितने बचे? 6 lines और 1, 7. So you can write 7 over here. Okay, 7 over here. Now this is 3. Can you subtract? No. Then again you will borrow from here. Okay, and you will write it down over here, 13, and this will become 7. Okay, final 7. So 13. Now अब 3 से नहीं करना है, 13 से करना है. 13 minus 6. What will be the 13 minus 6? These are 12. 1, 13. नाउ द 13 minus 6 हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं ना, तो 13 minus 6 क्या है? 7 ही है. यहाँ पे भी हमने 13 minus 6 ही किया था. नाउ दिस इज 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, 6 and 1 7 minus 5, 2. So the answer is 2778 and this answer is known as difference. Remember this thing. This is difference. This is subtrahend and the upper one is, tell me, yes, minuend. Okay, this is minuend. If you will check the answer, how you will check? Add, subtrahend and difference. To check the answer, we always add subtrahend and difference. Now this exercise 4.5, this question, subtract without regrouping and subtract with regrouping, this you will do in the textbook itself. Some of the question I will give in the form of notes that you will write in the fair copy. This one you don't write full. I will give the notes. मैं notes में mention करूँगी कि कौन कौन से आपको करना है. notes में जो mention किए जाएंगे questions वही आपको fair copy में करना है. otherwise ये सारे आपको textbook में ही करना है. Okay students.